Welcome to the So Rogue channel. My name is Darlene and I am a fashion industry rogue that has worn various hats throughout the years, ranging from fashion research and education to manufacturing. My journey originally started by teaching myself how to sew, which led me on a pilgrimage of formal education around the topic, during which my original motivation, the making of my own wardrobe, kind of fell to the wayside. However, throughout this journey, other interests within the subject matter emerged, but I feel it is time to go full circle and return to the beginning, to what initially sparked my enthusiasm. Which brings me to the launch of So Rogue. I would like to take you along as I relearn old techniques, master new methods, and challenge and expand myself, as I'm of the opinion that with the right attitude and approach, anything is possible. Furthermore, I also believe that there are many ways to skin a cat, so let us investigate, experiment, and observe. I plan to share with you what I've learned from my time within the industry, as the one thing that you have to remember is that all clothes are handmade. Although there are certain technologies that exist to simplify the process, there are still a lot of hands involved in producing even one plain t-shirt. As I make my way, I would like you to understand the process and the effort that goes into each piece, which in turn may even inspire you to make your own wardrobe, as you should not be scared to make your own outfits. Being willing to be perfectly imperfect. Living in Cape Town, South Africa also gives me the opportunity to explore the thriving local sewing and textile craft community, which I also hope to include as I navigate my way through my own projects. If any of this resonates with you, click subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let's go on this journey of discovery together. And if there's something specific that you would like me to try, drop me a comment below and let's see what I can do about it. I guess the only thing left to say is, let the adventure begin. Cheers vir eers.